Here it is the next day. Work on getting this alternator out. While I was in, I have my part in stock, and I didn't want to go anywhere else to get an alternator. I got the tensioner off. It was got a 3-inch extension, 3-inch 3F extension. It's pretty simple. So I'm using a 13 ratchet wrench. Pull this alternator off. I'm gonna put a rag on that so it doesn't spark. This connector, see if it'll cooperate. There's a pet cop down here. Let's see if I can. I'm gonna drain this, take this upper radiator hose off, and fill the fluid. Oops. This is it. For some strange reason, like I said, they'll short out internally. I mean, it's kind of pointless to check it now, but I mean, I know this alternator is bad. You can even smell it. It has a burnt glue smell going on with it. But we'll get a new one. Before I ditch this alternator, you can see on the side right here where it was. Let's see if I can zoom in. They were burn marks. And even the windings inside are burnt out. I got a new battery in here because it wound up shortening the battery out. Unfortunately, I don't know if I said how much this alternator costs, but it is about $400. So yeah, when people say that discussion as far as aftermarket versus factory parts, this is the thing. You're gonna get some things that are a common defect, and I understand this car got a lot of miles on it, but generally alternators don't break in this fashion. Strangest thing. Yeah, they can short out. Yeah, they can produce a lot of amperage. There's so many ways they can go out, but this is a hazard. I mean, it could cause a car to catch on fire. And luckily, I haven't had one of those happen. But it literally shorts out that hot wire and grounds it out to the housing. I'm surprised it's never damaged any computers, but the thing is, there's no fusible link between there, so it's not going to blow anything up. So, I mean, putting the aftermarket one on here, it may not last as long, but at least you don't have these issues. So, like, I'm indifferent about putting aftermarket parts on versus factory parts because, in cases, factory parts wear out, and the aftermarket is the remedy for it. All right, let's go pay $400 for our alternator.